Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So the gentleman flew up from Arizona today and is now picking up my 2019 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. So an awesome guy. Shout out to James. Yeah, he was very happy and pleased with it upon arrival, which is always very important to me, of course. So happy he's excited to get it, and it is going to a very good owner who plans to drive it for years to come. So he and his wife are very excited to get this back down to Arizona, but I figured I would, of course, do my parting shot video before he drives off into the sunset. So this is it, guys. This is literally the last time you'll see. Uh-oh. Okay. All right. This is literally the last time you'll see the 4Runner in our driveway in all of its glory. So the Voodoo blue, my favorite color, is driving off for the last time. So kind of very much a not even a kind of, but very much a bittersweet moment. But I'm excited to see it go to a good new owner who's going to enjoy it and put it through its paces a little bit better than I did, right? So there we are. Say farewell to the TV 30 seconds. Alrighty. He's gonna drive off. Cue sad music. But we got old Trusty over here. Still got the Land Cruiser for a few more hours anyway, right? And then old Sienna here. There she goes. I'm not crying, you're crying. This is where a wheel falls off. Peanut, there goes a 4Runner. What do you think?
I miss it because it's my favorite color, blue, and also teal because it's my pants and my mom bought it for me because she knew it was my favorite color.
Yeah, those are really cool pants. I love them. Oh, wow, those are cool shoes. All right. They do match good. Funky fresh. All right, team. Now we're down to the old girl here, the 21 Land Cruiser Heritage Edition, and the Sienna. And this is probably what it's going to be for a while. So, you know, it's going to be a little more quote-unquote boring on the channel here, guys, as the land purchase kind of is going to hang us up for a bit when it comes to buying any more new vehicles likely. So here you have it. Let me know what your thoughts are on me parting ways with the 4Runner there. As always, I appreciate you sticking around the channel. I appreciate your support. Until next time.